Hello, Robert Heffernan with Endotech. It is Blockchain Vitals. That's the name of the segment, Blockchain Vitals. I'm a master endotechnician, now firmly in the matrix while trading cryptos. And I said it yesterday, everything's the matrix. You know, I was talking to somebody today about the state of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange S&P trading pit. Maybe 10, 15 guys, maybe 100 contracts a day. Everything's in the matrix, man. There's, you know, the trading floors, unfortunately, have gone the way of the dodo bird. So we're stuck in the matrix, and that's all right because you can make money in the matrix. You can lose money in the matrix, too. That's for definite. Let's do the rounds. Do the rounds. I do it every day. It's my chance to talk cryptocurrency price action on this segment. Things in the news. Actually, the price action's in the vitals, all right? I was misleading there. The price action is in the vitals. But here on the rounds, I get to talk what's in the headlines. All right, and I love this headline, and it's from CCN. And it says, Bitcoin price feels uncomfortably heavy as crypto markets flatline. Well, it's only uncomfortable if you're long, and it's not so uncomfortable if you're short. So I disagree with the headline right off the bat. If you have the ability to short these things, you can short futures. Lots of ways to short them. You know, I pointed that out fall of 2017, just as the Merc was going to launch the CME futures, that you cannot discount the short bet. So I think the short bet is coming in here, but for me, the price action is really important, man, and the weekly fractal is really what I'm looking at to guide me for a longer-term thought process on this asset class, especially Bitcoin, because I still think, although I do think that we've seen some decoupling here, that if Bitcoin melts, I don't see how the rest of the quadrant doesn't melt, all right? So let's keep that in mind. With that being said, you know, let's go right to the vitals and talk price action. And I've been covering EOS this week, and you know, not so excited about EOS and the EOS price action because it's been so flatlined. But just hanging around the 240 level, and even today, 239.35 last in EOS. And what did it do yesterday? It had a nice breakdown. And where did it go test? It made a low of, EOS made a low 231.63. So it snuck into lower momentum for a little while on the daily, but came right back up, right? It can't make its mind up. It doesn't want to be in up momentum. It doesn't want to be in down momentum. It wants to trade right around the center line. I can't remember when I've seen the center line at 240 day after day for an asset, but that's what we got going here. And EOS, so mind the mo. That's all we can do. I'd rather be on the sidelines till I see this thing do something like close in momentum one way or the other, and really eyeing the $2.04 low momentum level on the weekly for me to really want to be joining the fray and shorting EOS. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. Listen, you need to be an Endotech subscriber to watch all of the actionable trading content available on the show. And you need to be an Endotech subscriber to get the sheet with all of the top 12 modeling on the Blockchain Vital sheet, and also, you know, individual coin signaling available at endotech.io. Please subscribe. Also, please follow us at endotech_IO and at HFR from the floor. That's me. All right, listen, I'm going to say goodbye to YouTube. Quick one here for you YouTube folks. But thank you for watching on YouTube.